Hello, my name is Zach Caldwell. This is my presentation on the Disney trip. Out of the two options, flying or driving, I chose flying for convenience reasons. The tickets for each person will be $271.41 with tax included, according to Travelocity.com. I looked at Travelocity.com, and it also showed me that American Airlines was the cheapest airfare. So I went to AmericanAirlines.com to see what the baggage cost would cost them for two bags. It would be $70. The total will be $1,427.05 for all 5 family members round trip flight. They will not have to rent a car when they get there because they will be staying at a Disney hotel, and they provide a free shuttle service to and from airport. They will be staying at the Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. Their stay will cost them $354 per night. The hotel the total cost of the hotel for all 3 nights will be $1,062, according to Hotels.com. All right, the hotel has a free breakfast, which is one of the 3 meals of the day taken care of. TripAdvisor estimates $30 per person per day. So if we calculate $30 for 5 people for 3 days, the total will be $450. That $30 includes the inflated prices at the park. Now to talk about tickets. You may notice that on my slide it says 3 adult tickets and 2 children tickets. That's because ages 10 and up classifies as an adult. So that's why Carol and her husband and the oldest child have to buy adult tickets, while the 2 younger children get children tickets. Adult tickets cost $324.39 each, while the children's tickets cost $310.33 each. Taxes for all those tickets are $103.63, totaling at a cost of $1,697.46. Carol budgeted some money for miscellaneous objects such as souvenirs, photos with characters in the park, and special treats like butterbeer and rides. She allotted $100 per child for souvenirs, $100 for the whole family for park photos, and then special treats in the park, she gave $200 for the whole family as well, totaling to about $600. After adding up all the expenses, the most costly of which were the tickets to the park, the second most were the airfare tickets. Carol decided that she should have a 10% buffer, which is included, which makes the total cost of the trip $5,760.16. Carol gave herself 2 years to save for this trip. After doing some research on savingsaccounts.com, she determined that Citibank would be the best savings account with an APR of 1.85%. The formula she used was the savings plan formula, with A being the amount she needed, PMT, the regular payment deposit amount, the APR shown by the 0.00185 divided by N, which would be the number of months because she was paying monthly, to the power of N times Y, N being 12 months again, and Y being number of years, which is 2. Using this formula, we determined Carol determined that the monthly deposit amount should be $235.78. This is a time series graph demonstrating the growth that Carol's money would undergo in the Citi savings account over the course of 24 months using the aforementioned savings plan formula.